You remember I told you that the Holy Spirit is with every unbeliever. He's not in them, but He is with them. And while He's with them, He's not just playing with them, He's working. What did I tell you that He does? He protects them. He protects them so that they will not die before the message of the gospel will reach them. Even when they want to die, the Holy Spirit will send death away. That's why you don't need to come into Christ and are afraid of death. When you were sinners, those who made you to fear death is your parents. Children doesn't know fear. We put it in them. Now, what I'm saying is, even when we were sinners, none of us was afraid of death. We lived recklessly. We lived our lives anyhow. We didn't know God. We are not conscious of God and we are not interested in God. But God kept us. Not only that, the Holy Spirit is with the sinner. He also give them conviction. He walk them around where they can hear the gospel and walk a gospel preacher or witness around them to witness to them.